Okay, here we are, Hurricane Irene. This is the, we're up at the farmhouse, looking at the road that we go home on, which obviously we can see there is no way we're going anywhere soon. Got two guys over here that drove their car down. I think they might try and make this pass, which should be interesting. Thank God that Rome led us to this, led us to the promised land and said we were safe up here. Oh my. There's the stream that comes down in the back, which is like a raging river. Oh boy. And it's, what time is it right now? It is the 28th at about 10:30 a.m. So I don't know, it seems like it's actually getting worse here right now, because I think the hurricane has passed where we are back home. But this is what we got. There's like a little river going past the horseshoe pits. Looks like we are screwed. How you feeling this morning, Jen?
I feel good. I'm going swimming.
Hey, this is the human